AWS Cloud for Finance Professionals. AWS Cloud for Finance Professionals is a suite of cloud computing services tailored to meet the specific needs of finance professionals, offering scalable and secure solutions for data storage, processing, analytics, and compliance within the financial industry. Topics: Introduction, Cloud Computing and AWS. Introduction, Cloud Business Value. Introduction, Evaluating a Cloud Migration Decision. Introduction, Understanding AWS Cloud Financial Management. Measurement and Accountability, Cost Reporting and Monitoring. Measurement and Accountability, Cost Allocation Building Blocks. Measurement and Accountability, Cost Allocation Models. Measurement and Accountability, Cloud Performance Indicators. Cost Optimization, Cost-Aware Cloud Consumption. Cost Optimization, Optimize Cloud Usage. Cost Optimization, Commitment-Based Purchase Options. Planning and Forecasting, Estimating Cloud Costs. Planning and Forecasting, Cloud Budgeting and Forecasting. Cloud Financial Operations, Organizational Change for AWS Cloud Financial Management. Cloud Financial Operations, Cloud Financial Governance and Controls. Innovation, Finance Innovation with AWS.